Hello, my darlings, and welcome. This is Gracie, and she wants to help me decorate the house for the Samhain and Halloween season and bring in a cozy autumn vibe. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm adding a little bit of glitter to my decor this year by decorating a set of artificial pumpkins with glitter, fall leaves, and autumn-colored florals. I'm starting with a coat of Mod Podge Extreme Glitter Sealant on the outside of the entire pumpkin. Once the Mod Podge has dried, I decided to add some extra glitter with Delta Serum Coat Glitter Explosion on the highlight areas. Let's pick out some florals to add to the top of the pumpkin. Now that we have all of the florals picked out, I think I'll add a few fall leaves. And I think the leaves need a little glitter on them as well. Now let's have some fun and use a hot glue gun to attach all the leaves and flowers to the top of the pumpkin. I love how this came out, and I decorated 2 other smaller pumpkins to match it and make a set. To decorate my dining room table, I'm filling a vase with some faux berries and florals I had left over from a craft project that never happened. I added a few pheasant feathers, and my autumn floral arrangement is done. I'm decorating my dining room table with the arrangement and my glitter pumpkin and a lantern with a garland of leaves twined in between. I'm adding some velvet pumpkins as well as the other 2 smaller glitter pumpkins I made. I also decided to decorate a side table where I make flavored coffee with a few vases of flowers and miniature pumpkins on a tray. And a cornucopia filled with autumn flowers that I found at a thrift shop. I had one other little spot in my living room to add some decoration to. I put a witch's hat and a leaf garland on my Guan Yin statue, and a few pumpkins around as well. I'm also making a Halloween-themed dessert for the season. Some crispy rice cereal treats made with cereal, melted marshmallow, and butter. Once the treats were pressed into a buttered pan and cooled, I cut them into bars. I used a wooden chopstick to create a hole in the top of the treat to fit a straw inside. I'm using orange, white, and black sprinkles and white chocolate to decorate the bars. Melting the chocolate in the microwave and then dipping the bars and spreading the chocolate with a spatula. And then adding some sprinkles. These treats came out so cute, I'll wrap them individually in plastic wrap to serve them. This Samhain season, I wanted to make a witchy self-care gift basket for a friend who's starting an art challenge and a writing challenge soon. I started with a big basket I found at a thrift store and an orange and brown plaid scarf. I found a cute little book called Spell Work for Self-Care. I love these soft furry slippers that are also flip-flops. I have 2 pair myself and I wanted to get a pair for my friend. I had to get this pumpkin pop sugar scrub and a scented candle called Sweater Weather that I thought matched with the plaid scarf really well. Some lip gloss, and some of the treats I made, and a few chocolate chip cookies. I finished off the gift basket with some velvet pumpkins. The final touch to my holiday decor is adding a wreath to the front door. I found this wonderful pumpkin wreath at the thrift shop and just fell in love with it. Happy Samhain, happy Halloween, and autumn blessings to you.